Hi everyone! Welcome back to my kitchen. Magbe-blender tayo guys ng ito yung aking strawberry. Ayan. Ayan yung strawberry. Very healthy lunch for today. So ayan, lagay natin yung strawberry. Ang healthy lunch ni Lola. So ayan. Mas lalagyan ko siya guys ng strawberry vitamin and boosting. Ito yung Actimel strawberry flavor. So, yan. Nalagyan ko siya ng isa niyan. Tapos, I will put milk. Lalagyan ko siya ng milk. Yan. Ganun lang guys. Yung healthy lunch ni Lola. Yan. Tapos, i-blender na natin siya. Ayan. Oops. Ayan. I'll do it again. So, yan na. Yung strawberry. Strawberry smoothie. Ayan. So, ready na yung lunch ni Lola. This is my lunch today. Very healthy. Strawberry smoothie with strawberry flavor. Actimel. Ayan. So, cheers guys. This is our lunch. Very healthy for Lola's kitchen.